Changing your phone number on Google Meet is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information. Step 1. Open Google Account Settings. Go to your web browser and sign into your Google account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. Step 2. Navigate to Personal Info. In the Google Account Settings, find the Personal Info tab on the left sidebar. Click on it to access your personal information settings. Step 3. Update phone number. Scroll down to the Contact Info section. Click on Phone to view your current phone number. Here, you can either edit your existing number or add a new one. Step 4. Verify your new number. If you add or change your phone number, Google will send a verification code to the new number. Check your phone for the code, enter it in the provided field, and confirm the change. Step 5. Save changes. After verifying your new phone number, ensure that you save any changes made. Look for a Save button or confirmation prompt to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated on Google Meet. If you encounter any issues, refer to Google Help Center for further assistance.